My name is Francesco Dibenedetto. I'm the executive chef of Brooklands at Peninsula by Claude Bosi. I like it to call him Chef Claude because that is something for me really respectful in a person that you admire a lot. Do you know, when I mentioned the relationship that we have with Chef Claude that started 10 years ago, it's not only a relationship between two people, it's a relationship also between two chefs where you start to understand each other. You start to learn the palate of each other. So when you're thinking about a dish or when you think about something or how to develop a menu, you know what Chef Claude likes and what is his palate, and and trying to put what this restaurant is at the moment, which has to be different than what other restaurants Chef Claude's own. Going back, when I started working in the project, the idea to have an identity in Brooklands wasn't that easy because, you are in a newborn building in central London. So how we could give an identity to Brooklands was all related to Britain. British producer, British farmers, and, new way how the world of, small farmers has been approached in the UK, which is absolutely incredible. We discovered so many excellence, like from Cornwall up to Scotland, Wales, everywhere. For me, was the biggest challenge that I took very happily to be able to discover new things. So if you come into Brooklands, for me, is a travel with your Napier-rated car around all the country to discover all these farmers and producers. We obviously look after the all 8th floor, so we have the bar and the Napier-rated room. So the bar, we offer something quite easy and quick in terms of food, related of snacks and burgers, small burgers. While at the restaurant, it's completely different concept. You have a 2 tasting menu. One is 5 and one is 7 courses. But obviously you can choose a 3-course menu from the 7 course. Customers, when they're coming in, they get really fascinated about the view and the location the hotel has and the restaurant has. So the idea of having terrace is super exciting because hopefully when we're gonna have a better weather, we can open and give it the opportunity to the customer to be able to eat outside and inside. Also, an additional on the 8th floor is Mac 2. Mac 2 is our private dining room, which sits from 2 to 20 comfortably. In the kitchen, we are 26 chefs, which is divided by senior sous chefs, and junior sous chef de partie and demi-chef de partie. And we have 22 members of staff in the front of house. My biggest challenge today is to keep the team excited and to keep the team involved and happy and believe in the same dream. That's for me is the biggest challenge. There's loads of restaurants out there. There's loads of chefs. Everybody has his own identity and taste buds. So every restaurant is different. So there's a loads of opportunity for young chefs to go and discover new places and work for new places. So to be able to be there and keep these guys exciting and happy to work with you and together to have towards probably some exciting new futures, it's my biggest challenge every day.